vacation time! This is Rain, and we are going to, guess what? We're going to Chiang Mai, Thailand. We're gonna go from a vacation to Thailand for a week, and I'll show you guys how we pack their luggage. The kids' luggage is a Wildkin brand with the olive kit design. This is the rolling luggage, and this is the 12-inch backpack. For Jasmine, we got her, the design is Fairy Princess. For Joshi, it's the Heroes. Jacob's is Trains, Planes, and Trucks. If you like these luggages and these backpacks, the link is below. The first luggage that we're packing is for Jacob. When I pack the kids' clothes, I always put it like this. It's a shirt, the underwear, and the shorts. And you fold it like this. Like that. Like that, and like that, and that. Pack it like a pro. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 clothing for 7 days. Now we're gonna go to pajamas. This is his pajama. Hold it like this, and you put one underwear, and here's a pajama for night. Now it's swimming time. They actually look forward for this vacation because our Airbnb has a big pool. I just bought them 2 pairs because they're just gonna use this for swimming, and after that they just wash it. You get 2 extra underwear, and I'll zip it up. And then his shoes is here. He's ready for adventure. Let's move on to the next one. According to him, he's my favorite son. See the difference between my 2 sons? Joshi likes using brief. Jacob likes using boxers. Same thing like what you. Same thing with what you do. Show you how. A shorts, a shirt, and underwear. Fold it up. It's 8 pairs of clothes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 is great.
Okay, with Joshi, he is in a potty training, but at night time, he's still in a diaper. It's 1 pajamas and 1 diaper folded together. Done. And he has extra 2 briefs. And Josh is swimming. His favorite. This is his favorite, the Nemo. Now we're gonna move to her suitcase. Let's see if we're gonna fit, if all that clothes we're gonna fit in her suitcase. Because if not, we're gonna take over Daddy's suitcase. Okay, let's pack it. Jasmine is still in a diaper. This whole bag of diaper, we're gonna put it in our suitcase. But this is how her outfit will go every day. A dress, an underwear, and a diaper. And this one, shorts and shirts. Now let's move on to the pajamas. 1 pajama a night, and it should come with diaper too. But like what I said, the diaper we're gonna be in our suitcase because it's pretty big. 1 big. Now, let's move on to the swimming outfit. Da, 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 da. Let's see if this fits. It fits. Yeah, two shoes there. So this is the kids' carry-on, their backpack. Inside their backpack will gonna be their own iPads and their extra clothes, just in case they spill something on their clothes. And if you're wondering why Jasmine doesn't have her diaper on her backpack, it's because we have our own diaper bag. And I'm pretty sure tomorrow Jacob, or the day before we leave, Jacob, we're gonna put toy in his backpack. That's their carry-on, and that's their check-in. And this is their beautiful mama with their stupid dad.
That's me, the stupidest.
So that's their carry-on, that's their luggage.
Do it over. That's your carry-on, that's your check-in.
Oh, okay. That's their carry-on, that's their
Loser.
Okay. Bisaya Manday. Okay.